Welcome to Business Reporter's The Future is 5G campaign, hosted by The Telegraph Online. I'm Alistair Greener. Imagine a world where anyone, anywhere, can access the healthcare they need. In this world, the finest technologies and the knowledge of the best specialists reach even the most deprived and distant corners of a country. The accurate diagnoses and the sophisticated movements of a skilled surgeon's hands are transferred through thousands of miles in milliseconds, just like videos or emails reach their readers and viewers in the blink of an eye. The King's College Centre for Telecommunications and Research and Ericsson have come up with a solution that makes this a reality. They call it tactile internet. Coming from Latin, it describes how touch is transferred with the help of wireless networks from one location to a distant second location. Dr. Prokhar Dasgupta, a pioneer in robotic surgery, believes that this cutting-edge technology is more than an opportunity, it's a necessity.
We need to disrupt the way we see medical treatment. If you see an open surgeon operating, they will have a bit of tremor at the ends of their scalpel. The robotic instruments are computerized, so they have absolutely no tremor. There is one problem though. There is no sense of touch at the end of the instruments. It is very difficult to transmit across remote distances and across current robotic systems. In order to do this with haptic feedback technology, you need two things. You need network slicing and you need cloud data sharing. Time is so short, time is so valuable. Why take the doctor all the time to the patient and vice versa? Why don't we have a wonderful communication link between the doctor and the patient? Global health, particularly care of the elderly, is becoming a major challenge for the next generation of doctors. 5G might just be the answer.
5G that Dr. Dasgupta is referring to is the fifth generation of wireless telecommunication networks. To find out more, we've invited Dr. Tokhtam Mahmoodi from King's College London. When we talked to Dr. Dasgupta, he was talking about the tactile internet and how it's going to be helping with the training of surgeons. Tell me a little bit more about how that works.
When we look into using the tactile internet, or what we call the internet of skill, basically as a tool for training, we look into providing an avatar-like mentor on the junior doctor and helping them constantly, monitoring them constantly, correcting their any error on the spot, and allowing them to do their mileage, to practice as much as they need to practice, but also with the constant supervision of an absolute expert in the world.
We hear a lot about 5G, but how close is 5G to becoming a reality, especially when we talk about the medical profession? How far are we away from it?
There are patients who are having a long situations, like somebody who is suffering from a brain stroke and they have a long time for recovery at home. Helping those sort of patients through remote connection, through Internet of Skills, providing them the type of care they need for recovery is something that we will potentially see them in the next, I would dare to say, 3 to 5 years, certainly, because there are companies who are actively working on those. They are researchers in university who are actively working on those subjects, and they are pre-release prototype products, basically, that are being used with the multiple angles of the technology. So they are not necessarily the fine-grained end product, because, as I said, in technology, we normally, like many other fields, we don't jump from A to B. We always go in a continuous line from A to B, and that continuation has already started.
Dr. Mahmoodi from King's College, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much. It's really fantastic talking with you too.